Introducing the U1000U. The U1000 ultrasonic clamp-on flow meter from Micronics. Once a suitable location has been determined, the meter can be attached to the outside of the piping so that the flow does not need to be disrupted, making it reliable, easy to install and easy to program. Either use the table in the manual or power up the instrument to determine the correct separation code. Enter the pipe inside diameter and select pipe material. Set the sensors to the correct separation by loosening the sensor holding screws so that the sensor can slide in the slot. Once at the correct separation, tighten the screws. Select any adapters needed for pipes with an outside diameter of less than 60 mm. This easy-to-use adapter from Micronics allows you to apply your meter to smaller sizes of piping. First off, attach the black clips to the bottom of the guide rail. Then place the guide rail on the desired piping. Attach the second black fitting to the bottom of your piping. Secure the fitting in place with the banding provided and repeat this process on the other end of the guide rail. Use the acoustic interface provided and mount the guide rail on the pipe using the banding provided. Then remove the sensor holding screws. Plug in the flow sensors. Check that the flow readings can be obtained. Once flow readings are being displayed, clip the electronics onto the guide rail. Thank you for watching. If you'd like more information, click More Info. Call Micronics on 01628 810 456. To see other products, simply choose from the products on screen now.